Hamza. Hi, Diana.
There's something in here.
Ooh, what? You want to box that? Come on, go guys. Just see it. What's that inside?
What is it? No, I don't know. Rocket ship pillow.
Rocket ship.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. No, it's a blanket pillow. I can almost.
Come on, Terry, guys.
I see a rocket ship.
Rocket. Alam semesta.
It's for
Is that a baby mattress?
I don't know.
You don't know. Come on, guys. Open it. Yeah. Not strong enough. Hamza.
I can see.
Come on, hurry up.
I can see a rocket ship. I see something.
Hamza, you said nothing.
Yeah.
Hamza, come on. I thought you're a dinosaur.
Yeah, this one is strong.
Yeah, dinosaur is strong. Come on.
A planet.
A planet?
Yeah.
What planet?
I don't know.
Okay.
We can almost open it. We better attack it. I see another planet.
You see another planet?
I see another planet. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can see it. I can see it.
Come on. Roar. Hamza, roar again.
We can almost see it.
Wow. Can you open it? It's a baby mattress. Okay.
Wow, so cute.
So cute. Look at that. Go give to Uwais. I think this belongs to Uwais.
Come on, let's go surprise the wife.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and press the bell button.
Bye. It's here, yeah.